Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change dress or cloth color in Instagram story using Restyle AI. So this is the new feature that has been added to Instagram and it's available in Instagram story. So as you can see in this video, the original picture is this, and later on I have used the feature and then change the cloth color to blue. Even you can also do this as same as I am showing to you. This unique feature includes add, remove and change the color of the objects in a photo. So if you also want to do the same thing, then watch this video till end and know how to change the dress color in Instagram story. So let's start. So what you have to do is simply open Instagram first and then click over here. After that click on plus icon and then click on story. So what you have to do is simply click on the picture of yours that you want to change the color. As you can see, I have selected this photo. After this you need to click over here on three dot icon and then click on Restyle. This type of interface will open. Here below you can see an option of add, remove and change. You just need to click on change option and here you have to type change color of the shirt to red or whatever color you want, and then click on the arrow icon, and as you can see, wait for a few seconds and then you can see the color of the shirt has been changed to red. So this way you can change the color of the shirt or your pant or anything else, and then you can simply save over here. Go to the done and click on save option, and this will save your photo. Same thing you can do unlimited times the color that you want. So this is all for now. I hope you have enjoyed the video.